Love yours.
How is my hair so long? How is my hair so thick? How? Do I take vitamins? Are these extensions? Is there anything else y'all should know? Well, today I'm going to be answering all of your questions. It's as simple as I only get my hair cut once a year, and if that, sometimes I go over a year, because I'm going to insert my picture, my before picture. So this is what my hair looked like exactly a year ago, and now this is what it looks like after me not getting it cut. So I don't take any vitamins, I don't do anything special, like I just follow my routine in not using sulfates, silicones, parabens. Like I'm not 100% not using them, but for the most part I stay away from all those harsh chemicals, and I really feel like that helps stimulate the growth in my hair. But at the end of the day, I just have to tell you, like, it is my genes. If you and your family naturally have thinner hair, I don't think you should really compare yourself to people with thicker hair, because you just have to love yours. Like J. Cole says, love yours. I actually spent a majority of my life hating how thick my hair is. It wasn't until I started to love myself and appreciate everything about myself that I started to love everything that comes with thick hair, because y'all see all this hair on my head, but you don't really see what goes on behind the scenes, because with this full head of hair comes with a lot of other hair everywhere else. And with that being said, when you do take vitamins like biotin and probably those gummy vitamins that everybody and their mama keep talking about, that does stimulate the growth in all your hair. Like it won't just make your hair grow faster and thicker, it'll also make other areas grow, if you know what I'm saying. So keep that in mind if you do ever try to take vitamins. But for me, like, I am just so against taking any type of pills, even vitamins. Like, you just never know what medication and what these vitamins are really doing to your body, because there is such a thing as taking too many vitamins. I would much rather just get my vitamins from natural sources, and if there is a case where I am deficient in a vitamin, that's something for me and my doctor to discuss. And I actually am vitamin D deficient, and I did discover that this year because I got a lot of blood work done and they found out that I'm vitamin D deficient. So that is the only vitamin I take, and I don't think that really does anything with my hair. I know that that's for like your bones and whatnot. Y'all just gotta be really careful with the medications and vitamins that everyone is promoting on social media. Like, I really want you guys to know what's in your products, and don't just get something because a celebrity is telling you, oh, this is what I take, this is what I use. Like, really do your research and always ask your doctor if something is safe to take. I'm really big on actually trying products before I tell someone to try it out, because I'm not going to tell you to try something and it end up being something that's gonna harm you. And I want you guys to know that at the end of the day, everyone has different hair types, everyone has different skin types. Like, please just don't look at someone and wish that you had something that they have, because at the end of the day, you are built to fit your body, you are built to have things. God just made you how you're supposed to be made. Just don't feel like you need to alter something about yourself. You have to really dig deep and learn to love yourself, because if you don't love yourself the way you are, changing something about yourself isn't gonna make you love yourself. It's just gonna make you want to change more things. So if you do truly love yourself and love every detail about yourself, then yeah, go ahead, try something new, do something. But if you are changing something about yourself for the sake of fitting in and looking like everyone, like, be you. The special thing about you is that you are you. No one can be you. So just think about how unique you are, and it's such a blessing to have the things that you have, because yeah, some people have thick hair, but some people don't have hair at all. Comparing yourself with other people is really toxic, and you should just appreciate what you have at the end of the day. Like, we all have something, and somebody else might not have it, but I don't know, I could go on and on about this. I just get really passionate about this because I was in your place before. If you do wish you had something that you don't have, I was in that position, and I learned to love myself. I learned to just appreciate every detail about myself. I was always researching on YouTube and on Google how to grow your hair fast, how to make your hair more curly. I was doing all of that, and there are definitely ways. Like, I don't want you guys to watch this video and think like there aren't ways to make your hair grow and like be healthy and everything. But I just wanted to share like my experience and what I really do, because I don't want you guys to think like there's something very specific that I do. And yes, everybody that says like drink more water, that'll help your hair grow, like yes, water is so essential. Like, you need water for everything. Your body is made up of water. So like drinking water is just very vital to everything, like to have clear skin and healthy hair and healthy nails. And then eat your fruits and vegetables. Like, try to eat out less. Try to eat at home more. Like, you could literally make the same things that you're eating out at home, and it'll be so much better for you than eating it out, because you literally don't know what's in your food when you buy it from a restaurant. But at home, you know exactly what's going in your food. I hope you learned something in this video, and I hope it really does make you think about how you can begin a journey of loving yourself and appreciating every part of yourself, and then changing it for better reasons than just trying to fit in. I hope that you just want to change yourself to become healthier, to become stronger, to become a better person, rather than I want to change this because I want to look like this person. I can't be a model because I don't look like a model. Like, girl, you can be a model for anything these days. Like, you can do anything you put your mind to. You can make a trend out of anything. These days, social media is a great thing because you could literally make something that is unique to you a trend. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for supporting me and watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers, so expect a giveaway very soon when we hit that. So tell your mama, tell your sister, tell your best friend to subscribe to my channel so we can all eat together.
Love yours. Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.